Beautiful day today. Pretty warm, and it's still pretty early in the morning. We might have a nice warm day today. Last couple days I've been spending getting the block cleaned up and ready. I'm supposed to have my rings coming today. My new oil pump has been shipped. It's on the way. I have my cam. My timing gear is supposed to get here today. I cleaned the block and the pistons yesterday. I'm going to go over these pistons one more time. And what I'm going to be looking at and looking for is whatever might be down in these grooves. That's where there could be some little chunks of baked in grease. I want to make sure all those grooves are going to be clean. I think today I'm going to clean the main bearing caps are over here. I might clean these heads and see if I can get this oil. The oil pump I ordered is a high volume oil pump. All this one says on it is USA. I couldn't find any other markings on it. With that said, the new one I ordered uses this shaft that's on this one, and it'll need to use this filter, so I need to get that filter off and get it cleaned today. Now that I'm standing here looking at that pump, I think I do see a number on the bottom of it. Let me get my glasses on here, see if I can read that. Yeah, there's a number right there. I didn't see that before. I was looking for it. All that says is USA too. So, oh, there's a tag right there, and that tag says 55. Melling makes a T55 or something 55. That could have been one of them, but the one I want is going to be a high volume, so we'll see what they send me and we'll go with that. The crankshaft has pretty much not been touched, and I may want to pull it out and clean it real good and then oil it back down. Of course it's not very dirty, but wouldn't hurt to clean it up. And soon, maybe tomorrow, we'll start putting this back together. That's the plan. I put some oil on here before I sprayed that paint on here, and I think that'll scrape right off where that little bit ran up on the top here. I oiled the top, but I didn't oil the sides. I know it sounds crazy, but I've got some Marvel Mystery Oil, and I just coated everything with Marvel Mystery Oil after I washed it to keep the cylinders from rusting and stuff like that. That's where we're at.